What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. This is just a short video to let you know that the Nissan Hardbody is going up for sale at IAA. That's Insurance Auto Auctions, and I wanted to make sure to do a dedicated video on that truck because a lot of you have been interested in it. So definitely take the link down below, just click on it, put it on your watch list. I'll give you the stock number here in just a second. So for those of you interested in the Nissan Hardbody, here it is. I wanted to take one more look around it, make sure you guys could see it out in the daylight. All right, there she is. I'll show you the interior real quick. She's good, guys. She's good. Like, she's ready to go. She is. She's ready to go back to work. She's ready to put in work, man. You don't have to feel bad about putting this one to work because it's got a few dings and bumps and bruises on it. Here's the interior. Yeah, I know. Lipstick on a pig, right? Hey, man, it's a good old work truck. That's what it is. I think it's going to do well at auction. I do. I mean, I can't be 100% sure, but I think she's going to do just fine at auction. I'm going to roll the windows up. I'm going to go ahead and shut this one down and put it in gear. I'll put the key in the seat right here because IAA is about to come pick these two beautiful cars up, and they're going up for auction. So stock number, link down in the description below. Okay, down below, IAA.com. Just click the link in the description below and it'll take you straight to this. You can put it on your watch list, or if you want the stock number, give me just a second and I'll get that for you. All right, so listen, the stock number for the Nissan Hardbody truck is 302-12275, all right? That's 302-12275. You don't really need to know that. The link is down below, guys. Just click the link under the video. It'll take you right to the truck and you can bid on it, because right now it's insane at $325. That's ridiculous. I just got through looking at a Toyota today with 250,000 miles on it, beat to hell, salvage title. It's going for $3,200 and it was in worse shape than the Nissan. Come on, y'all got to bid this up because it's not going to sell for $325. That's not going to happen. Anyway, link below, get you this truck. I'll see you guys next time.